Hello guys, let's see how we can simplify these expressions. So first of all, it's important to note that to simplify these expressions, you need to know the identities for the sum and difference. So here's how it goes. Sine alpha plus or minus beta, this is equals to sine alpha cos beta plus or minus cos alpha sine beta. So this is the identities. Now, in this case, our A is alpha, our B is the beta. So if we're using a plus, for the plus, this side will also use a plus. If we're using a minus, we should also use a minus there. So let's just do the substitutions, then we can simplify this. So let's start with this first one. So we shall say sine alpha, sine beta. In this case, it will be sine A, sine B. So we have sine A, sine A cos B. Remember, it's sine cos plus is a cos. Then now we have cos alpha sine beta. So that is cos A sine B. Now this is just for the plus. Now let's do it one with the minus. The only difference that with the one with the minus, here we're going to use minus. So let me do this so that it's easy to see. So this whole expression is the one for the plus. Now let's do the one with the minus. So again, our alpha is A, so we'll have sine A cos beta. This our beta is B. So cos B. We're using a minus here. Then cos alpha, which is cos A, sine beta, which is sine B. Okay, so this is for the minus, this is for the plus. Let's remove the brackets. So sine A cos B plus cos A sine B plus sine A cos B minus cos A sine B. Now, do we have anything that is common here? Yes. Cos A sine B, cos A sine B. So one is positive, one is negative, so they'll just cancel out. Meaning that the only thing we're remaining with in this case is these two. And if you put them together, what we get will simply be 2 sine A cos B. So we have simplified. Now, let's look at question 2. So question 2, we're still simplifying, is cos A plus B. Then we are adding this to cos A minus B. This is what we have. So again, we need the sum and difference formulas for cos. It's different from this one for sine. So for cos, if we have cos A plus or minus B, this will result to cos, I'm just using AB directly in this case. So cos A cos B. Here we had a plus or minus. For cos, it's actually minus plus, the opposite. So sine A sine B. So this is the formula for cos. Okay, let's do our replacing now. Let's see how it goes. So remember, for the first part, we have the one with the plus. So I want to put them in brackets so at least you can see the difference. So the one with the plus, we're going to use a minus here. So I'll say open bracket. The one with the plus will become cos A cos B. So I'll use a minus because if it's a plus there, we use a minus there. So minus sine A sine B. Close the bracket. Now let's use this one for minus. So we're saying plus. The one for minus, here we shall use a plus. So cos A cos B. We're using a plus. Sine A sine B. Like that. Now at this stage, let's remove the brackets. So we'll have cos A cos B. minus sine A sine B plus cos A cos B plus sine A sine B. So do we have anything that can cancel out? Yes, this can cancel out with this because both of them are the same, and then one is positive, one is negative. So this one leaves us with these two, and if we put them together, this simplifies to 2 cos A cos B. So that's what we get. So that's it. Thank you very much.